Hi guys! Welcome to my Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, Happy New Year everyone! Sorry if ganito yung voice ko kasi meron pa din akong sipon tsaka ubo. Di pa din siya nawawala kasi last year pa to. So, today, it's January 3, Saturday. And ang agenda is mag-cafe kasama yung mga college besties ko. So, ngayon lang namin gagawin yung exchange gift na dapat last year pa noong December. Pero kasi sobrang busy namin and then ngayon lang kami nagka-time. So, ngayon namin siya gagawin and gaganapin namin siya sa BGC. And, ayan lang guys. On the way to Chili's because we're gutom na. We're here na sa Chili's.
Sa loob? Hindi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Guys, ang sarap.
Ano ba
Tigil pa sa loob. Tigil isang
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. We're complete. Happy birthday!
Thank you guys.
Na-surprise ka?
Uy, ganun?
Happy birthday, babe! Wish ka na! Wish ka na!
Sana mamatay lahat ng kurap. Thank you.
Hi guys! So we're here sa ano to?
Hindi ko pa rin ma-figure.
Holden and Harlan sa may Ascot kasi dun sa Uptown maraming tao. So dito kami, konti lang kasi dito kami mag-exchange gift. Ngayon lang namin gagawin. And gagawa kami ng achievement cake namin.
Hi, I'm Hope. Last year, I graduated and started living alone. Yes!
Hi, I'm Jada and my 2025 achievements is I graduated, I survived life, and I started my content creator and vlogging era and back to my gym era. And lastly, blessed with a small, supportive, and genuine friend.
Hi guys, I'm Carmela. So yung achievement ko in 2025 is graduate ako on time. So muntik lang hindi. So and then nakabili ako ng dream phone ko. Tapos nakapag-provide na rin sa bahay.
My name is Prince. This year I was able to graduate as a working student all throughout my college, and I survived being hospitalized twice. Now I appreciate myself more to be a better person.
I'm Archie. So, last year I graduated with a doctor reference. And I also moved out, found a good job, and I can travel to see my own family. My name is David. So, something I chill last year is gain meaningful life lessons and experience that shape me to a better person.
It's our achievement cake. friends! Good morning! So, it's 8:42 ng January 6 and it's Tuesday. So, my agenda is mag-gym muna ako and then after mag-gym, pupunta ako ng mall kasi may mga bibilin akong importante. And then, magsa-solo cafe din or solo dates. First solo date of the year. And ayun lang guys. I'll see you guys later. So right now, nakaayos na ako and it's already 11:30 and paalis na ako and magjo-joyride lang ako. And then, meron akong biglaan na lunch date with Kiana as in last minute lang kasi kaninang 11 lang siya nag-chat sa GC namin and sakto na ako yung may pupuntahan din and may bibilhin after ng lunch namin. So, makikipagkita na ako sa kanya. So, I'll see you guys later.
Hi vlog! Happy New Year!
Ngayon na ulit kami nagkita ni Kiana.
Yes.
And it's super biglaan, guys. Magka-cafe kami ngayon ni Kia. And then, nabili ko na yung mga needs ni Pat for his business. And then, now, papunta kami ng Muji kasi bibili ako ng planner. Hindi ka mabibili, Kia. Ako lang pala bibili. Tapos, mag-Arabica cafe kami. So guys, cancel yung Arabica cafe namin ni Kiana kasi sobrang daming tao dun sa Arabica cafe. And andito kami sa Bake House sa Shangri-La BGC. So, dun na lang kami. And I'm waiting kay Kia kasi nag-CR pa siya. See you guys later!